Types of damages in tort law. 1. Introduction damages are a monetary remedy awarded in tort law to compensate victims for harm caused by wrongful acts. They aim to restore the injured party to their original position before the violation occurred. 2. Meaning of damages. Damages refer to financial compensation paid by the wrongdoer to the victim for losses suffered due to a legal rights violation. 3. Definition of damages. Damages constitute a monetary penalty imposed by a court on a wrongdoer to compensate the victim for a breach of their legal rights. 4. Objectives of damages. Compensation, covering the victim's losses. Deterrence, discouraging future wrongdoing. Justice, holding the wrongdoer accountable. 5. Difference between damage and damages. Damage refers to the actual loss or harm suffered, for example, physical injury, financial loss, reputational harm. Damages denotes the monetary compensation awarded by a court to remedy such loss. 6. Kinds of damages. 1. General damages. Non-monetary losses: pain, suffering, emotional distress. Example: compensation for defamation. 2. Special damages. Quantifiable financial losses: medical bills, lost wages. Must be specifically proven. 3. Exemplary punitive damages, aimed at punishing the wrongdoer for egregious misconduct rather than compensating the victim. Granted in cases involving malice, fraud, or gross negligence. Example: penalties in cases of sexual harassment or corporate fraud. 3. Exemplary punitive damages punish severe misconduct, fraud, malice. Example: penalties in sexual harassment cases for real actual damages, direct financial losses, repair costs, lost income. 5. Nominal damages, symbolic award when rights are violated but no real loss occurs. 6. Contemptuous damages, minimal compensation, for example for weak but technically valid claims. 7. Measure of damages. Courts assess damages based on nature of injury, financial and non-financial losses, case circumstances. 8. Importance of damages as a remedy. Compensatory function, restores the victim financially. Deterrent effect, discourages future misconduct by imposing financial liability. Legal recognition, upholds the enforcement of rights under tort law. 9. When damages don't apply: criminal cases, breach of contract, breach of trust. Example: if a trespasses on B's property without permission, A commits a tort, and B may claim damages. However, if A commits theft, it becomes a criminal matter, not a tort claim. 10. Nature of tort law. Tort law is a branch of civil law that addresses wrongful acts causing harm. Unlike criminal law, it does not cover all wrongs, but focuses on providing remedies, primarily damages for violations of personal, property, or reputational rights. 11. Conclusion. Damages in tort law serve as a crucial remedy, offering financial compensation to victims while deterring future wrongdoing. By imposing monetary liability on wrongdoers, the legal system ensures justice for injured parties and upholds the principle that every wrongful act must be redressed.